Who be that?
I can only open this gate.
Come madam for phone now. I no get spiritual power to open this door.
This I told them the gate man not to open the gate, so.
Hey. Madam, well done. Madam, well done.
Evildoers. You guys thought we are dead, right? You thought you've won. You've taken over everything. Things you did not labor for. Well, let me shock you more. I faked our marriage the moment I knew about your plan. I swear you will not only rot in jail, but you will die in jail.
Thank God for Fatima, who alerted us on your wedding day, telling us about your evil plans. So if not for that, we would have been dead by now, right? How could you, Chantel? How could you do a thing like this? You're so heartless. We connived with the doctor to confirm us dead, so that you go ahead and expose yourself. Here you are. Look at you.
Rex, please, I can explain, please.
I have one word for you. There is no shortcut to success. Why?
Oh, one devil's handwork, please.
Baby, please.
If I hear bay before the be again, if I hear bay before the be again, you wouldn't like what will happen here.
You will receive it hotter.
You kidnapped Fatima because you thought she knew about your evil plans. You hired a hit-and-run driver that jammed Mira. That incident made her lost her unborn child. Like I said, you will not only rot in jail, but I will make sure you die in jail. Officers, move these idiots.
We can sort this out now, please.
Officers, move them.
Can we sort?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Mommy, please.
Shut up! If I hear that more,
Mommy,
you will see what will happen to you.
Mommy, please.
I trusted you. Mira, my baby. Oh, thank God you are alive.
Sir.
Officer, please take him out of here.
Officer,
move this idiot out of here!
You both are under arrest for conspiracy, attempted murder, and other related criminal offences. For your own good, I advise you remain silent and cooperate with us, for whatever you say now or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Rex, we can sort this out. Rex, please. Rex! Officer, please now.
Move!
Please.
Move!
Please.
Move!
Mommy.
Move!
Move! If I collect this gun now, why? If I collect this gun now, why? Move! Move! I said move!
Evil doers.
Move!
Thank God.
Move!
I'm happy you survived it. I'm happy you are alive.
Well, I was rescued by the same person she contracted to kill me.
I know. Your mother told me everything. I'm happy you survived it. Remember what I told you? That you will not be disappointed. Rex.
I'm sorry for everything. I made a whole lot of mistakes. I wronged you in different ways. But Osita, the one more, the one more. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm deeply sorry, okay?
It's okay. I have forgiven you. You know I love you so much. I forgive you.
Good to hear that.
I
I'm
love
so
you
happy.
Come on, come on there.
This call for celebration.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal. It's a danger.
Why does it? Now your birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday, sir. Ay! Sorry, sir. Happy birthday, sir.
My mom, sir.
What kind of madness is this, Rex? What madness? What disgusting thing.
Mom, easy on your daughter-in-law to be. Show some love and respect, man. This is my wife to be.
I like your wig.
That's for
I'll
sure.
fire you for one like him.
Mom, I said this is my wife to be. Show some respect.
Young girl, have I ever told you that I do not like, I don't want to set my eyes on you in this compound anymore? Have I told you that? No, ma, no. You've had it now.
Mom, you can't be doing this. One, you're embarrassing me. Two, I'm telling you that this woman is my wife to be. You're not even respecting or hearing what I'm saying. You're asking how?
Rex, take this thing out of my compound.
Babe, let's go inside. Don't worry.
No, your mother doesn't want me inside.
I said let's go in now. Let's go. Are you serious?
Does it look like I'm joking? You ought to be ashamed of yourself.
Why?
Take her out of here now.
All right. Babe, let's go back to the hotel. Up here.
Rex!
Read my lips. I will never come back here again until you accept her as your daughter-in-law. Enjoy the house.
Rex! Come back here!
Open the gate, you idiot!
Rex! Odema!
Okay, sir.
Odeba. Come here.
He said you should close the gate and go and lie down.
Odeba, I said come here. Sorry. Why did you open that gate?
Ma,
Why did you open that gate?
Hey!
Huh? Why should you do that?
Today is slapping day.
Will you get inside?
Thank you. He said I should go and lie down. You see in the parlor, I mean, in the room. Today is just slapping day. Some days are bad days. Today is the worst day. Oh, everything I was everything I slap. This it don't tire me. Oh.
Quiet now, don't shoot. Ah!
Rest. You think I'm a fool? You think I'm just one prostitute you can sleep with and just ditch like that? Oh, you think it's all about money? I want you. But all you do is to sleep with me in the hotel and take Tracy home. Oh, she's the one that is good to take home, right? Huh. Tracy, rest is mine and mine forever. Nobody can take him away from me, not even you, Tracy. Not even you. What? What's up? What's up? Oh my God. Hi. Oh, I'm good. Welcome. Thank you, darling. You are brazen and crushing. Enjoying yourself. How are you doing? I'm good. Rest won't kill me with love. You needed to see what he told his mother about me. Really? Yes. He had the guts to tell his mother, say, if no be Tracy, forget marriage. Babe, my head they blow. Who I be? I dey happy like this. Good for you. Oh, I'm happy for you. Oh, thank you. Babe, I get another hot gist. We go blow your head. But I won't go bath. Make I go freshen up. Make I cool my temper. My head they hot. My brain they hot. I won't go inside. I they come. Okay. I they come. Wait till they drink, sir. I they come. Hey. Tracy, you are trading on a dangerous path, and I am going to surprise you.
is there? I dey come, I dey come. I just dey romance the gate, knock small. If no be say I come up, I no go even know you. You go knock there tire. Let's just knock, they romance the gate. Pop, 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 pop. I don't come, I don't come. Hey.
Hi. Good
Hi.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I'm here to see Rex. He's aware that I'm coming.
So you mean say my oga no say you dey come?
Yes.
I no trust you, make I confirm.
Come on now. I said he is aware that I'm coming.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm good.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome.
Good afternoon. I'm here to see Rex.
Size, he just dey speak correct English for this song. If they join now and pronoun together.
Good afternoon. I'm here to see Rex. He's aware I'm coming.
I have to lie to him so that he can let me in.
See, crab are just this. They follow straight line. Pronoun and noun together. A better person. Yeah.
Alright, when is this? I'm coming back.
Hi, Rex.
What's up, chica? How are you?
I'm good.
Please sit.
Thank you.
So, what do I offer you?
Anything is fine.
Anything.
Yeah.
Fatima. Fati Bom Bom. Is she eating? Who knows?
I'm here, sir.
Were you eating?
No, sir.
Thank God. Red wine be fine?
Yeah.
Sweet or sour or anyone?
Sweet and sour.
Okay. Get 2 glasses of red wine.
Yes, sir. Please, red wine.
Alright.
Sweet or sour?
So, what's up with you?
Well, I'm blessed and balling, as you can see. Just chilling at home.
Can see you're really doing well for yourself.
Wait, you dey crazy? You want poison us? Bring the drink now. Why is it taking too much time? Why the delay? You want poison us?
Sorry, sir. Thank you.
Hey! Azubulu. Thank you for joining us. Tap. Hey! Shut up, so they talk. Tap. Give me a gifter. Follow me. Follow me. Hey! Chicken, I see you. Follow me. Unfollow me. Look at that. All right. I will join you people soon. Yeah. Let me go and warm my car. Ah, look at that.
I am here to see Rex.
Ah, Rex.
Abeg, wait. Hold on. They no dey rush this compound. They no be rush hour be this. You won't come see my oga? Abeg, oga no say you dey come.
What sort of nonsense question is that? Do you want to lose your job? Don't try it next time.
Wait. Me wey be permanent staff for this compound. Permanent digital staff. If not be say I don't get 13 million followers for my gifts and TikTok account, I for just summon you now.
Those people following your TikToks, they are stupid as you are. Don't try it next time. Do you hear me?
no wonder you be like this. You just look like stupid.
Idiots. Fool.
We no get respect. Huh? We no get respect. If say na when I still dey secondary school, they can't give me assignment, say everybody go home and draw stupid. I go just snap you, carry you, go give my auntie. I go get 100 over 100. I am back. My car, you know. Sorry, my viewers, my families and friends. I am chatting from Kenya. Forget the background, you know.
Nice wine. Yeah, I love it. You look so cute this afternoon. What is the secret?
I have always been a cute guy. So why is this afternoon special?
Well, there's something different about you this afternoon.
Maybe it's because you came around.
Stop it. Babe?
Yeah?
There's something I want to tell you about my friend Tracy. It's a top secret about her family background.
What's my business with that though?
What is going on here? Chika! You told me we are going to see a friend. What are you doing here?
What is it? Am I not in a friend's place? Is Rex not my friend too?
Rex is not your friend. He is not your friend! Baby, tell her to leave this house immediately.
They don't born you where? They don't born you where to tell me make I come out for this house. Are you mad? Are you okay?
Hey, you guys should calm down.
Calm down for what? You invited my friend over to your house. Plus you don't care about me anymore. And you are leaving this house immediately.
July, you have no right to order me out of this house. Rex is my man.
Look, I have every right to order you out.
I said you have no right. Rex is my man
Rex
too.
is my man.
You should go.
You're leaving this. You're leaving this.
Rex is my man.
You're leaving this.
Calm down.
Rex is my man. You are a betrayer. You are a betrayer.
Come on, no.
Animals. You're idiots. Come on, You betrayer! Eh? You're a betrayer! I'm putting my hands on you! You're wicked! Eh?
They're not doing this kind of thing here. Hello, guitars. We are here live. This is wrestlers.
What is the meaning of this? Adema, what is going on here? And what are you recording? Who are these mad people? Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma. Welcome, ma. My friend. Who are they?
Madam, they are just entertaining us. They are wrestling. Sorry.
Mommy, they are wrestling. Will you get out of my... Get out from my compound immediately. Get out! And I don't want to see any of you in my house again. Did you hear me? I don't want to see any of you in my house again. Whatever, take them out of here.
All correct, ma'am. Madam,
out!
The show is over. This way. This way. Let's go to Village Square. Let's go to Village Square. Hello, ma'am.
Mad people.
Village Square. To continue the match.
Just imagine. Rex!
Move.
Betrayer! You're a betrayer! Tell me what you're
Men are not doing here. Men are
you
doing
eh? You are not the come to. Leave me alone! Leave me! This case is between us. I don't think I'm... Let's go!
Follow my guitar. Just continue to the Village Square. Welcome, Mom.
Rex, what was the meaning of that stupid drama outside?
What are you talking about?
Those girls fighting outside, who are they?
Oh.
Have I not warned you never to allow such people inside this compound?
Mom, it's not my fault. Those are my visitors. They came. They started fighting. I tried to separate them, but they wouldn't listen. So who am I? I felt they wanted to exercise a little bit, so let them have fun.
You ought to be ashamed of yourself. I can't even believe I'm the one that betted you. How? How could you believe in this way? See, let me just warn you. Next time I see those girls in here, I will get them arrested. And I'm not joking.
Arrested? Moms, your blood to the hot. Calm down now. This is a normal thing that happen for life. Two girls fight, you won't be arrested. Leave them, I beg.
Rex, I am not joking. Next time it happens, you will see what I will do. I must arrest them. What nonsense.
Are they still fighting though?
What an salad.
Onye made you about an
Why are you throwing my things out? What have I done? You are leaving my house. Yes, I have harbored you enough. Leave. Chika, you are the one that betrayed me here. Yet you are mad at me. Can you stop this nonsense? Can you stop already? Madam, it's friendship by force. I said leave my house. Pack your things and leave my house. I don't want again. I don't do again. I don't want any more. Leave. You want me to leave your house? Yes. It's okay, fine. I am leaving your house for good. You are not my God. I can survive without you. I am leaving. Rubbish. So why are you still speaking English? Madam, get your things and get out of my house. And stop speaking grammar. Get out! Oh! Yes. I know what is biting you. I know. Read my lips. Rest is mine forever. And ever. You can never have him. Read my lips. I bet you can never, ever have rest. Rest is mine and mine forever. Nobody can have it, not even you. Ungrateful bastard idiot. Let's bet it. You can have, let's bet it. What am I even still doing here with you? I want to go in there and pack your remaining things. I want you to get the hell out of my house. Get you in there. Bastard. Get my remaining things. Fool, idiot. Let me leave this stinking house. Ungrateful idiot. Fool. Animal. Let it stinking place. Betrayer. Why even want to be with you? I'm just begging you because I don't know where I'm going. Idiot. Fool. Get my things, please. Get my things. You are a betrayer. Fool. I am leaving your house.
Is this how I'm going to make it in this life? Everything I lay my hands on always crumble in one way or the other. Rex, my friend, has refused to help me. He's ready to throw away his money, but he cannot help his fellow man. Odemwa. He would rather give all the money to his numerous girlfriend. This night again, he's throwing another party. Yeah, hello Rex. I'm at home. Yes, I'm coming. Let me wait after today, and he didn't lend me some money. I will not have anything to do with him again. I will not. How can I be your friend and you cannot help me financially? You prefer spending your money, lavishing your money, spending your money, giving out your money to girls. But you cannot help me, your friend. I said it. I said it. This guy Rex don't want my progress. He doesn't want my progress. I'm here suffering, begging him for help, but he cannot help me. The only thing he's after is throw money, show off, give girls, I don't get it. Call me all the time. Chigo, where are you? Come out, we're clubbing tonight. No, that's not the kind of friend I want. That's not the kind of friend I want. I want a friend that can help me financially. And my problem should be his problem. No, I'm done. I'm done. He will never see me again. He will never see me again.
It's in love with high life. It's so much drowning in it. It's in love with the girls. What can get one for himself? What kind of human? He is so wayward. What kind of human? It's something else. He don't wanna do anything. So nice. He is a wayward kind of person. And he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but flex. 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 It's living the wayward life. It's living as they go. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life.
Hello, Chigo.
Yeah, hello, who's this?
This is Chantel.
Chantel. No, this can't be Chantel now. The Chantel Lisuba that I know is out of the country.
Come up that baby.
When did you come back?
Well, I'm back 3 days ago.
You can't be serious.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank God. How are you?
Right now, I'm at the hotel just by DLA Junction.
Okay, the one off Banana Estate?
That very one.
Good. You're welcome, my princess. You're welcome. I'll come see you later in the day, please.
That's beautiful. Call me anytime you call me.
Sure, I will. Welcome. You're welcome.
I'll be waiting.
So Chantal is back. So Chantal is back.
Oh, Chigo, my man. Okay.
Grace, pick your call now. Eh? What is all this? I've been calling you. You don't want to pick your call. Hi. He's not picking his calls. Grace, pick your call now. Who's there?
It's me, Tracy.
Who?
It's me.
Who?
It's me, Tracy.
What do you want?
Chika, please. I came for us to talk. I just want to have a moment with you.
Just go away. I don't want to hear whatever you want to say. Just go. Take your wahala and go.
Oh, Chika, please don't say this. I won't take your time, I promise. Can I have a seat?
What do you want? You have 5 minutes to say whatever you want to say. As you can see, I'm busy. Hello, Res. I've been calling you. Why are you not taking my calls? Yes, I'm in my house. In the evening. Okay then. Alright, I'll call you. Please hold your phone so that when I call, you pick your call. Okay? Alright, bye. You can say whatever you want to say.
Thank you. I am so sorry for interrupting your peace. I know that I am not supposed to be here. I know that I have offended you. Please, can you just forgive me and take me back to your place? Please, Chika.
Tracy, it's not going to happen. Both of us, we are enemies. I mean, we are fighting over a man, one man, and you expect me to take you back. You won't poison me? Oh, you came to kill me. Please, just take yourself and get out.
Oh, Chika, please. I am no longer interested in Res. As a matter of fact, I have gotten myself a new couch. It's just that I don't want us to part ways because of this. It doesn't make any sense to me. Please, Chika, just... Bifon, please, just find the place in your heart to forgive me. Please.
It's friendship by force. I said you should go. I don't want to have anything to do with you again. Please, don't touch me. Look, I only allowed you into my house to say whatever you want to say. Please, just go. I don't want your friendship and I don't want you.
Please, don't do this to me. You are like my sister from another mother. Please, you are my bestie. It's me, oh. It's me. It's me. Chika, please, don't do this to me, please. Just forgive me. Forgive me. Please, forgive me. I will. I'm not going anywhere until you forgive me. I don't have anywhere to go. You are my all, please.
It's fine. It's okay. Stop crying.
Please.
Stop crying. I have forgiven you. Stop crying.
Tell me to stand up.
Okay. Stand up. I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much.
It's fine. You're welcome. Stop crying.
Don't know how much I've missed you so much. I've missed you.
It's fine. Stop crying. I've forgiven you. Stop crying.
It's okay, stop crying.
Okay.
Stop crying.
Who is there?
It's me, Chico.
My word!
Goodness! Look at you!
This is you!
This is me! Good to see you after. Wow!
You look really good.
Oh my goodness!
No, you need to go. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Damn, you're looking good, man. Oh my God. Please,
Wow.
say it. How have you been?
Good to see you.
It's great to see you.
Unaware?
Man, trust me, you won't even understand. I had to go to make things right for the family.
That's good. That's good. Happy for you.
And I'm so
But
happy
you
to see
came
you.
back at the right time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Tell me, what's cooking?
Something very delicious.
Oh.
And you gonna like it.
Mm.
Of course, trust me.
Okay, fine. Tell me about it.
I will. But before that, I would like to have a bottle of chilled red wine. You know, just to cool my temperature. Then I will now balance and give you the whole gist.
You know
Trust
what?
me.
You never change. All the same, chilled bottle of red wine coming up. A minute, please.
Wow.
Mira, where are you going with your box?
Mommy, I'm going. I cannot continue to stay here. Your son does not like me. Your son does not like me at all.
Mira, do not say that again.
Your son does not like me. Me, I know that you like me so much and you want me to marry your son, but he hates me. See the way he was just insulting me, shouting at me. I cannot marry him. Oh. I cannot marry him.
Mira, my daughter, my son must marry you. The reason he is behaving this way is because he is not yet married. I know you are the one that will make him amend his ways. So you have to relax, okay?
He does not like me.
Don't worry, I understand. You have to take your box inside. When he comes back, I will make sure that everything will be alright. I assure you that I will settle everything, okay?
Okay, ma, it's because of you. No problem. I will stay. I will not go again. I will marry him.
Trust me, I will not disappoint you.
Okay, ma.
Go inside.
No problem. Ma, please, you will send Fatima to buy mop. The one that I saw was black. You know, I wanted to mop everywhere before everything happened.
Don't worry. It will be done.
Okay, ma. Now I'll stay. Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
What is wrong with Rex? What is wrong with him? Anyway, he must marry Mirabel. If worst come to worst, I'll have to go to see Mira's people and make sure I pay for her bride price.
He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex.
Just look at me. A whole me. Begging to be married. I'm just here because of his mother. If he tries any more nonsense, I will leave. I will leave without thinking twice.
What cannot get one for himself? What kind of human? He is so wayward. What kind of human?
Mira, I am telling you this because I like you.
Okay.
I don't know what Madam is telling you, but her son will never marry you.
How? What do you mean?
Mira, there's no how you can spend the rest of your life with such a man.
Please, explain. What are you trying to say? Because I know there is something wrong, but I just cannot place my hands on it.
Listen to me. Use your head. You are not a kid here. A word is enough for a wise. I did not say anything. No. I did not tell you anything. No.
I know.
Don't quote me anywhere.
I know. Just can you explain? Fatima is trying to give me a big warning. Hey, Baba, I'm just confused. I love this guy.
What is keeping her? I know she must have gone to her hotel with him. Chika, you think you are smart. Your worst mistake is allowing me to come into your house the second time. Ah, babe. What's up with you? What happened?
You won't believe this. What? The kind of embarrassment that I just got now. Do you know that I don't know where Chigo got one idiot from for Res? Do you know that Res has to ditch me because of the girl?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Who could that be?
I don't know. I have not seen her before. I don't know who that girl is. But you see that girl? I will find out who that girl is. And I'm going to deal with her.
Yes. We need to find out who that girl is. You have my support all the way. All I want is your happiness. We need to find her out. Fish her out.
Chigo must tell me who that girl is and why he did what he did. How can he do that to me?
And after that, I will unleash my terror on you.
I'm so angry right now. I'm so pissed.
Baby, you don't have to. You have my support all the way. All I want is your happiness. That's all.
Rex, open the door. Son, open the door for your mother, please. Rex!
This guy has brought another lady home. Is this the kind of man I want to marry? Is this who I want to spend the rest of my life with? Someone that keeps changing women every time. Fatima was right too. Fatima was right. First thing tomorrow, I'm going to carry my things and leave. I will go back. I cannot continue like this now. I will leave.
You will not leave.
I'm tired. Oh. I'm tired. Me, I want to go. Then, is this the type of man I want to marry?
My daughter, I have told you severally to calm down. My son will marry you.
Your son does not like me. It's obvious, it's very clear that he does not like me. Eh? Since I came to this house, he has not even spoken to me. He has not looked at me eyeball to eyeball. It's not nice now. It's not going to work. Mommy, he brought home another woman. Eh? Is this the kind of person I want to marry? He does not like me. It's very clear that he does not like me.
I've told you, take a chill pill and relax. Everything will be alright.
I'm not sure this thing will work. I'm not sure it will work. Since he came back, he has not even said anything to me. I'm tired. I want to go. He does not like me. He does not like me at all.
But I like you. And I want you to marry my son. See, I promise you. Just stay. Calm down. Everything will work out well. He will marry you. Remember, he is my son. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Don't bother yourself. Everything will be fine.
It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle, yeah.
So what's poppin', baby? What are you trying to do? Wanna continue sniffing?
You have anything in mind? What do you want to do?
I wanna sniff you. That's what's on my mind.
Easy, Tiger. Easy.
Look at you. Come here.
What kind of human is something else?
Easy, Tiger. Relax.
Meaning?
If you want to have me, it has to be on one condition.
Are you serious? You can't be conditioning someone like me. No one does that. I do what I want. So what condition are you talking about? Oh, you want money? Money can't be a problem around here. How much? Name it and you have it.
Not everything is about money.
So what's your condition? What do you want? Because I really want to sniff you.
You know what? Ditch those girls, those bitches that are after you. Make me your wife. Let's raise a family together.
You're joking, right? Let's say you're mad. But didn't they bring that one? I bring you here, we have fun. You talk about marriage, we raise family, raise kids. Why are you deviating from your mission? Is that why you are here? Are we supposed to be discussing that? I won't play they talk about marriage. Who are you to advise me? Who are you in the position to tell me when to marry? In fact, I don't want to marry again. What will be a problem?
Okay.
Listen, you can't be sniffing my shit. Like, you can't be rolling on my stuff and be giving me attitude. Your time is up. You can leave.
Are you drawing me out?
Yes, I don't care how you see it. Don't even drink again. Your time is up. If I bring wedding gown, I say you come. Nonsense. In fact, enough. Leave my room. Say welcome. Don't touch my drink again. Anybody will go on like a marriage. We are here to have fun and you're talking about marriage. What nonsense. Huh? This is township. You don't advise people. Do you know that I have spiritual wife? What's your problem? If you are done laughing, get out of this place. I'm not. You spoilt my mood. Nonsense.
What's up? So, how did you go? Now listen to me. I told you to be very careful. Just calm down. Be submissive. You will get what you want. Yes. And please, I beg in the name of God, do not mess this great opportunity up. I beg in the name of God. Yes. I think I have a visitor. Let me call you back later, please.
I see you are surprised to see me. Well?
Chika, how did you get to know my house?
I'm here to ask you something because I am not happy with you.
You are not happy with me? What did I do?
Who was the lady you introduced to my man? And why did you do it?
Chika, are you kidding or something?
Of course I am not kidding. You know Rex is my man, and yet you introduce another lady to him. Why will you do that?
So, are you... I want to understand something. Are you here to warn me or something?
Of course I am here to warn you. Tell her to stay clear from my man, because you won't like my actions. You won't like what I would do to her.
Chico. Chika, now leave my house. I said leave my house, Chika, leave my house.
I will leave. But if you think that your prostitute of a girl that you brought for my man will take over me, then you have something else coming in this your empty skull. Let me warn you again. Rex is my man. And no one, not even your cheap whore, can take him away from me.
Listen and listen good. You are not married to Rex. And whatever you are doing with Rex, you are wasting your time. Because Rex is not and will not marry you. Get that into your skull.
You are just blabbing. Yes, you are just a hungry he-goat.
Leave my house.
Let me warn you again. You won't like my actions. Stay clear of my path. You won't like my actions.
I say leave my house. Leave my house! Leave my house! You're married to Rex. Useless girl. How come? How did you introduce another girl to Rex, my husband? Is he boyfriend or husband? I don't get it. Idiot. I pity you. Because if he crosses our Chantel's lane, I swear to God, Chantel will crush you. Idiot. We're there fighting for a man. You cannot go and hustle. Useless girl. Come on, go and hustle. Always are there, billionaires, buying cars up and down, and you're there. Chico, I'm here to warn you. How did you introduce another girl to my idiots? Nonsense.
I don't understand. What are you doing here?
Oh. What exactly does it look like I'm doing?
Mommy!
She's gone to call Rex's mother. Exactly what I wanted. After last night, he has confirmed that he's been with a real woman.
Look at her.
Oh, good morning, Ma.
And what are you doing in my kitchen?
Oh. He asked me to make his breakfast.
Who asked you?
Rex, ma'am. I'm sorry. Please just do not deny me the opportunity to do this for him. After that, I'll leave.
You do not have any right to be in my kitchen without my consent.
Well, pardon my manners, ma'am. Just please accord me this opportunity to do this one thing for him. I promise you never have to see me ever again. After I do this, I'll just leave. And you won't see me like I said. Not just that, ma'am. I make you a promise today that I'll talk to him and make him see reasons why he needs to marry the woman you want him to marry. And that's a promise.
It's living their wayward life. It's living as they go.
Oh, babe, what's up? Did you see him?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I seriously warned him. I told him that next time if he tried this rubbish with me, he will get it for me hot.
But what is actually his plan?
I don't know. I don't know for that idiot. Can you imagine? That fool told me that Rex can never marry me.
He said that to you?
Yes.
He is indeed a fool. By saying that Rex will not marry you. Baby, you need to deal with that guy. You need to teach him a lesson.
No.
What's all this?
I don't have business with him. The person that I have business with is the girl. I need to see that girl one-on-one.
The girl?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I need to see that girl one-on-one. You see that guy, eh? I suppose busting her today. You needed to have seen the way you were. Hey, Rex can never get married to you.
Can you imagine?
But he's not my problem. The person that is my problem is the girl. I need to track that babe. I need to track that girl.
Good.
I will show her that they don't call me Chica for nothing. I'm going to deal with her.
Good. That's my girl. This is what I want to be hearing. You have my full support. You need to show that girl pepper. Different types of pepper. Yeah, so you need to show her that you are in charge. What rubbish?
I mean, who is he? Who is he to suggest a woman for my man? My own Rex. Bringing one idiot, one foolish girl that is not even fine for him. You see that girl? I will track her down and I will deal with her. I will tell her that they don't call me Chica for nothing.
Good. Okay. Good. That's my girl. You have my full support. Yeah. I can accompany you if you want. What do you think?
It's living their wayward Just living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle, yeah.
Mom, you are the best cook in the world. Like the best cook in the whole wild world.
Yeah, but I didn't make this one.
Who did?
Mira did.
Excuse me?
No, I did. Well, she couldn't make it, so I had to assist her.
Jesus Christ. This girl is a witch. She promised to leave immediately.
Mira, is it true?
Ha! What do you do? Love potion ever.
Rex, what is she still doing here?
Well, it's not his fault, Ma. I'm sorry, I'm still here. But never mind, I'm leaving. Thank you for availing the opportunity to meet this morning to do you this slight favor. And to you, Rex, good luck to you and your wife. Bye.
I thought Mommy has told you to go. What are you still doing here?
I come in peace. I'm sorry for everything that happened this morning. Trust me, I am. Forgive me.
See, let me just tell you. Me, I don't like you. Yes, I don't like you, so just go. Or you think me I will watch you snatch my man from me? Never.
Okay. Like I said, I'm truly sorry. I never knew he had a fiancé. And that's the truth. But I promise I'll leave. But then again, I'm promising you, I'll convince him to marry you. I can do that for you. He listens to me more than he does anyone else.
Oh yeah, rub it in now. Use it and rub me. He listens to you more than anyone. And so why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? Please, just go. Go.
Allow me to do this for you. Trust me. I have his magic. I can help you.
How do you intend to do it? See, that guy is very stubborn.
Don't worry. I have his keys. I have my magic.
Me, I don't know what to do. If you can help me, just help me.
Okay. Tell me. What soup are you preparing?
Oha.
Well, that happens to be his favorite. And guess what? I can definitely prepare it more than you because my grandmother taught me.
Please, maybe you just help me because me, I don't even know what I'm doing. Yes.
Perfect.
I will just watch and learn. You know, since I will marry him, I may learn from you.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Thank you.
Oh, no. You didn't do that, did you? Oh my God. You know what? Just scoot over. Just don't worry.
Thank you. This girl has messed me up. So this is why she came begging to help me. Just to disgrace me.
Mom, you are not saying anything.
Mirabel, why did you do this?
Yeah, I can explain.
Explain what? Okay, you don't know how to cook at all. Like, Imani is Ijaja. Fair enough. Understandable.
Open the gate.
No problem.
Don't open that gate.
Why? Open the gate.
He can't take orders from you. You are not the one paying his salary.
You were there when your mother asked me to leave. I will not be a stumbling block to the woman your mother wants you to marry. So open the gate now.
No one has ever said no to me, so you can't start now. I want to have a word with you.
It's not necessary. I need to leave now.
I said you're not leaving. Now tell me, who are you?
What is it you want to know? What do you want?
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
Why is she not taking my call? What is giving her such guts? Anyways, I know where to catch you. Come in.
Please, I'm sorry for the disturbance. Don't be angry.
Sorry for your miserable self. What are you still doing around this vicinity? I asked you to leave this house.
I'm very sorry. Please, I'm sorry for everything. Please, forgive me.
Listen, I am not interested in you and I will never be interested in you. So stop pushing it. Go and meet my mother. Leave my room.
But I love you.
Now that love will kill you. I don't love you in return. My friend, get out of my room.
Please, just forgive me. I truly love you. I swear to God. Please.
My friend, get out of this place. If I come down, you're dead. Leave this. Are you sick?
Mommy.
Rex, stop this. If this girl does not love you, she will not be here. Forget about what happened and give her a chance in your life. She's a nice girl. Bikono.
Listen, be careful around here. I don't love her. I am not interested in her. I don't want her. I see her as a dust bin. So let her get out. She loves me fine and good, but I don't love her in return. Is that supposed to be a problem?
Rex, Biko, please. For my sake, marry her.
Okay.
You will not regret it.
Beautiful. Marry her. She's a nice girl. You love her so much. You want her for me, Abi? Marry her. I'm telling you, I don't want her. You're forcing a woman on me at this time and age. It's unfair now. People are making me look as if I'm a wicked guy. I am not interested in you. Get lost.
Rex. Rex, this girl is a nice girl. Please, my son. I am your mother. I will not mislead you. Give her a chance in your life.
Mommy, marry her.
Rex. Hey.
Please just help me, I'm begging. Help me, I'm begging.
It's okay. Just get up. Get up. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
I love sir.
Let's go. Get up. It will be well. It's okay. Rex, I want you to know that apart from this girl, I will not allow any other girl in this house. I want you to have it at the back of your mind. Let us get out of here. Let's go.
It's living their way of life. It's living as the day goes. Out of
Okay, fine. Where exactly are you? No, I'm waiting for my cab. I'll see you in 20 minutes. Okay. Bye.
Excuse me. Hello? So you are the so-called Chantel.
And who the hell are you?
Good question. I am Chika, Rex's girlfriend. The guy Ugo arranged you for. Let me warn you. Stay clear from my man. Rex is my man.
It's obvious you're on cheap drugs, but are you high right now or something?
You are the one who is high on cheap drugs. Be warned. Do not dare me.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Of course I know who I am talking to. I am talking to a cheap whore.
Okay. You know what? I will show you what this cheap whore can do in no distant time. I won't drag a man with you. I'll just simply fix you.
Dare me and face the consequences. Cheap whore.
You should try using perfume at times. Cheap whore.
Where did they even get them from?
Easy now.
Hi.
Hello, wait. Wait.
What do you mean I should wait? Are you out of your mind? Why are you telling me to wait?
Wait. Madam Queen's English. Okay, because I dey speak Queen's English, me I dey speak King's English. Right now, I want to tell you that this place is my territory and you are an intruder. You are intruding. Yes.
I can see you are fed up with your job. Will you get out of my way before I do something you will regret? Get out!
You push me. Make I switch her to King's English.
You push me. Hey, you come back here. Will you come back here before we do you smack down right now?
Join her with one blow. You're gonna cry right now. Go back.
I don't have time for non-entity like you.
When you're an entity, let me get it. Will you see here? This is your wig now sponge. Come back here. Eh? See what? Let me the insult. See what you wear. If I leave you the man. You woman. I love you. You the man.
Leave my part. You're looking for my trouble. Leave my part. Leave my part.
See here. I go.
Leave my part.
I go use you do training, no? Eh?
Leave my part.
Make this your sponge, don't touch me. Eh? Now me be the trouble. You don't see trouble.
Leave
today.
my part, this guy.
You don't see trouble today.
What is that noise for? What is it?
Madam, thank you. Thank God you are here. Madam, don't keep person here. Now. Your people for don't they prepare for burial. But thank God, just thank Madam. You don't know me?
Good afternoon, ma.
Young lady, who are you?
Ma, I am Brett's girlfriend. I came to see him to know how he's faring. But this idiot here is embarrassing himself, not me.
Madam, you know me too well. You know say I be hot-tempered person. You know say I be quick best. I swear to God, if you call me idiot again, I'll go kill you now and forget my job. I go just kill you. No. Madam, one more.
Young lady.
God bless you, man.
Did you say you are Rex's friend?
Yes, ma.
Yes. It's like I've seen this face before. You are among those girls I asked not to step their feet into my compound again. Are you not?
Ma?
Magini, you want to lie? No, you want to lie. Oh, yeah, lie, make I see now. Eh? Don't lie, madam don't catch you today. Don't lie. Don't, mama.
Young lady, you heard me well. Answer my question.
Yes, but
But what? You still get mind. You still get mind. You want to open your mouth and lie. But what? You want to lie?
Ma, with all due respect, can you tell this guy to shut up? Let me talk.
Odeba.
Ma?
Allow her to talk.
Madam, if you so make her no talk, no problem, I no go talk. But if you see this girl is very dangerous. A liar and a dangerous girl equal to Delilah. Now Delilah is supposed to be a name.
Young lady, I do not want you to step your feet into this compound again. Did you hear me? Let this be the first and last time you come here. Out of my compound! Right now!
Ma, please, can I say something?
You cannot
please?
say anything. Eh? Obey the last order.
You heard me quite well. Out of my compound right now. Odeba.
Ma?
Make sure you lock the gate after her.
All correct, ma.
Please, hear me out.
Hey.
Ma, please.
Nobody will hear you. Nobody will hear you right now.
Madam, respect yourself. Madam say, leave this compound. Leave my compound. My compound is my compound, you know.
If you touch me, I go show you how you you're mad. If you touch me, ma!
Madam,
Let me increase my salary. Come on, help me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Madam. Thank you. Should I sabi this job? Madam. Madam, I need to take a leave. My waist. Madam. Not do like say no, they hear me. I need to take a leave.
Hey, yeah. It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do.
Where are you headed?
Where I'm headed, it's my business.
Why are you being hard?
You know what? Go back home to your mother. Go meet the woman she's arranged for you to marry.
And who told you I want to marry her?
Trust me, your mother has spoken, and so shall it be.
Stop sounding childish. My mother is not the chief judge of my life. She can't choose a wife for me.
You're the one who is sounding like a kid. I've just told you to let me be, so why don't you want to do that? Let me be, for God's sake.
Can you drop this drama and listen to me? You don't even know why I'm here. What's your problem? My mother cannot choose a wife for me, so hear me out first. What's your problem now? As a woman, you can do shakara, but don't overdo it. I don't have such time.
Whatever. Excuse me. To me in that manner. Eh? Who does she think she is? I'm so angry.
Babe, you are back. Did you see him?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine his mother threw me out of the compound?
What? Why?
Tracy, I have never been this embarrassed in my life. Can you imagine his mother talking to me in such manner?
So, what are you going to do now?
Huh? Nobody can stop me. Not even his mother. After all that guy has done to me. Do you know how many times we've done it? After this guy has slept with me, turned me around, and he thinks he can leave me. No, never.
Never.
Rest is my man. Not even his mother can stop us. I'm going to have him.
Only one person can stop you. You'll be shocked to know who that person is.
Rest is my man. And I will do whatever it takes to get him.
Rest is your man. If he doesn't marry you, both of us, we are going to show him pepper.
Exactly.
Different types of pepper.
Exactly.
He has not even seen anything yet.
I understand though.
You have my full support. You're
my mother from nowhere.
All I want is your happiness. That's all.
Nah, Chigo, what's up with that babe, sef?
What happened now?
I dey talk to this girl, she dey give me tough time. What did they bring that nonsense? Tell me everything we know about that babe.
Right, sorry, sir, I not tell you. See that girl, the papa, the mama, the siblings, everybody they stay abroad. She even came back from abroad. So you know, say her brain never too they used to Nigeria.
Okay, because na Yankee babe, na make she misbehave. From here to London, na 6 hours. Yankee far. You think they bring that nonsense? I want to make her the misbehave. I want to make her the misbehave. I don't say you be babe, do your shakara, but no, but do
I understand, but Rex, you have to be taking it easy on her.
Yeah, you be fool.
Take it easy on her.
Who time be take it easy? I talk with the support girls, they say take it easy on her. If not by bad, see her papa money they learn for where my papa money they. Our family money choke. No go there.
Rex, I don't understand. Where is this one coming from?
No, but you be fool, man.
You guys, are you in competition with her?
No, you don't get sense. Because I they talk to you, the support girl will be stranger. You they mad.
She's a lady.
And so? Is she the first lady?
You should learn how to endure something.
Now this thing make you not make money. You're very, very stupid. You are very, very. This is why you are poor. We go drink finish, I go pay. And they talk, say girl, they fuck up. They tell me, say, I should come down from here. You are lecturing me on how to treat her.
Rex, you're insulting me. Where is this one coming from?
Thank God, sir, I don't slap you. You don't pass to collect insult. Are you rich? As you die alive now, what do you get? Car, you no get. 1 naira on the account. I dey talk. In fact, get out of this place. I'm wasting my time.
Is that why you don't want to
on a non-entity? Or I go jam you, idiot. How you gonna support stranger? Later, you go drink finish, I go pay. If you don't come out there, I go jam you, idiot. Odewa. Odewa. Where are you coming from?
Okay, sorry, sir. They do something for backyard. I beg, no verse. No verse.
How many times have I warned you never to leave your duty post?
Okay, you know to me like that, but you don't plenty. Hey, okay.
See, if you stress me, I will bring my gun and I will shoot you.
Okay.
Kneel down here.
Okay.
To correct you with words.
Okay, sack me.
No, they enter.
Okay, sack me.
I say if you stress me, I will shoot you.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sack me.
Kneel down here. Don't get angry. When I go inside, I'll bring my compaction and you are gone.
Okay,
kneel down.
Okay,
you know that action.
Right.
You can't do that.
Rest!
Come back here.
Okay, Red, do you want to kill him?
Come back here.
Eh?
I said come.
Madame.
Rest!
Kneel down there.
Okay. Rest!
Hey! Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Kneel down there.
Madam. Hey! Aya! Okay, the mosquito.
Come here. Come here.
Okay.
So blood boy, so.
Okay.
Kneel down.
Madam.
Now my mama, if you die, go better and wear money day. Kneel down.
I beg, okay.
Kneel down. It's my mother. I better money is intact. If you move, stay there.
God bless you.
How many times have I warned you? Never leave your duty post.
Oh, yeah,
Come back here.
Yes, sir.
I'm not fear. You are stressing my voice. I will pay you salary yet. I will be shouting to call you.
Okay, I'm asking you.
Kneel down there.
Hey! Okay, I'm asking you. Hey! Madam, I beg. Hey, who go here? Madam. Hey, madam, I beg you now. Hey!
What happened?
Yeah. Now, go.
Mommy.
I survived my own.
What happened?
Now, by God's grace, I survived my own. Now, my mama prayer for village, now save me. Hey! Okay. Hey! My mama prayer for village, now help me survive my own. Hey! Madam, I beg. Madam, if na prank, I beg, we don't stop. If na prank, I beg, stop. Oh.
Your mom is lying on the ground. Your mother is lying on the ground, lifeless. Please, we need to go.
Are you serious? Is that why you barged into my room without knocking?
I don't know how to drive. Odegba doesn't know how to.
You see that thing you've been looking for? I will give it to you today.
Please, let's go. Jesus Christ. Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone. Jesus Christ.
If I hear him,
please, I'm sorry.
If I hear him,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm
If
sorry,
I
I'm sorry.
I will strangle you to death.
Please,
If I hear him, I will strangle you to death.
I beg you, please. Please, I beg you, please. Your mom is outside on the ground.
Go.
Please, I beg you.
Mira, you dey shout for help. Hey, Mira, you dey shout. No, no, go. Not be me go help you. Not be me go help you. Hey, who be that? Who dey knock for gate? Abeg, go back. For your own good, go back. There is fire on the mountain. Madam, abeg. Hey, they dey knock for gate. Mira dey shout. Me, I need help too. Me, I need help, oh. Hey, madam, how did they take check person wey don die? Madam, how did they take check the person wey don die?
For barging into my room unannounced, I will be raping you every 1 hour.
Please, just untie me, please. Please untie me, please. Please,
Shut up. Now, the question, what did they do for my room? Later, you say they rape you, Why you got here, you no knock? Are you my roommate? Every 1 hour, you go to collect till tomorrow morning. Next time, you don't barge in on people like me. I'm off here.
Please, just let me go, please.
Who goes there? Who goes there?
Help!
Will you shut up?
Help me, help
Come
me,
in.
help me. Please, please help
Steve.
me.
Shut up. Oh. What's going on here?
Please help me.
This idiot barged into my room without knocking, so I've been raping her since.
Grace, come on now. You don't have to treat her like that. Be human for once. Why now?
Not my fault now. Is she my roommate?
Even at that. Be human for once. Okay, fine. Listen. Your mother is downstairs. She's unconscious from the hard push you gave to her. Okay? Let's rush her to the hospital now before something bad happens to her.
That's small touch. She's still like down there. My mom is a pretender. She's an actress. She's fine. She's just pretending.
Listen, Rex. I'm serious. We need to take her to the hospital.
Don't waste your time on my mom. She's a pretender. Small push. She just lie down for ground. Oh, wow, you're up one year.
You shouldn't have done this to her now. Just tie her hands and come on. She's not a slave. You know what? Let me rush back to your mom. I'll get back at you.
Leave my mother. She pretends a lot. Stop talking. Come on, please.
I'm begging you.
Shut up. I said shut.
Why are you doing this to me? Just leave me. I want to go. Please, I want to go.
Next time, before you enter my room, no.
Please. Let me go. I want to go.
Are you telling me the truth?
What do you mean if I'm telling you the truth? Well, I was shocked myself. I didn't believe what Rex did to her. Man, that guy really fucked up.
So what did you do finally?
What do you expect me to do? I had to rush the woman to the hospital with a cab. But when I got to the hospital, you know what? They refused to even treat her without deposit. She had to deposit all the money that I have on me so they could commence treatment with her. You know what? Before I left the hospital, she was responding to treatment. Yeah, that's right.
Same woman that threw us out of our house.
Yeah, that's true. But you see, Rex is giving that woman a tough time. Bro, our guy, they worry that woman well.
Give her tough time.
So what about the girl he tied on his bed?
I don't know. I left both of them in the room. I had to just, my major concern was the mom. So I had to just rush her to the hospital
So I don't know what he did with the girl. Yeah, you know what, guy? I need to hurry to somewhere, okay? I'll catch up with you later. So, yeah, normal level, man.
Ay, 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 ay. Whoa. It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
I don't understand what they happen for this house. Eh? Oga never come out. Now wow. When are they tell Oga friend say, no be by muscle, no be by gra-gra, I think say I dey joke. Now see am, all of them dey inside. I don't understand though. I go just run comot for this house. I don't understand though. Who be that? Now who you be? Your voice be like old woman. Who you be? Tell me.
Odeba, please give me 200 now. Let me settle Keke man where carry me. If I go inside, I'll collect from madam and give you.
I know gates. You go collect for which madam?
Madam now.
Madam where dey hospital?
What's madam go do for hospital?
Fatima, what did they do for hospital? No, madam go in the swim. Now for swimming pool now. Jacuzzi. Now they for hospital. Eh? I thought you say madam.
Oh, yeah, give me 200 naira. Make I settle Keke man where carry me.
Where you go this morning? You sure say the market you go?
I don't understand. What do you mean by where I go this morning? Okay, what do you say madam go hospital go to safe?
If you go inside now, you go ask Madam Pekin. Ask her, Madam Pekin, what did your mama they do for hospital? You go come answer you where? Oh?
I bet ma go inside.
Come settle Keke man. I don't want to make
Abeg, come on here.
I talk am. All those papa where they do shoemaker, now there they go relax. Say you go market.
Mira, what happened? Where is Madam? Why are you walking like this? Mira, talk to me. What happened? Mira, what happened to you? Talk to me now. Why are you crying? Mira, what is it? Mira, talk to me now. Why are you crying? What happened? Hey. Why are you crying? Talk now. Mira. Mira, talk to me. What happened to you?
It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his son life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He's in love with high life. He's almost drowning in it. He's in love with the girls, but cannot get one for himself. What kind of human? He is so wayward. What kind of human? Is something else. He don't wanna do anything to help his own life. He is a wayward kind of person, and he don't wanna know. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. He don't wanna do anything but to flex, flex. It's living their wayward life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle.
Fatima. I don't send her this useless Fatima, now you can open her. As this my body they pain me, be like say you like her. Fatima.
Which hospital you say Madam went?
I don't know. Fatima, no be open the gate.
Odegba, answer me. I said, which hospital? They tell me gates. Which hospital Madam go to?
I don't know.
You don't know. Which one be say you don't know? Answer me. Joma, carry food, go give my Madam Biko.
Me too. I need to go to hospital. I dey hungry too. I don't know the hospital where Madam go.
The craze. Be like say the craze.
But you know the year one? Gossip me. Gossipers of life. Their neighbor. I will lay curse on you, my friend. Come here.
Sorry. Thank you, sir.
Kneel down.
Me too.
Okay, sorry.
What were you people gossiping about?
Sir, I was asking him which hospital Madam went to. And I asked him he's sick.
Hospital?
Yes.
Madam, I don't understand what's going on.
Oga, na that day, na that time where you come push and where you come for. As you come for, Oga Steve come carry am come go hospital. But I don't know the hospital where he carry am go.
That little for which for you.
Oga, na big for.
That's small for 9 days, you know the hospital. It's like she likes food. Small something, she don't lie down. Anyway, now get back to your duty post and stop gossiping. All you do is eat and gossip. You, Halele, Giwa, Ngwa. All you do is eat and gossip. I don't want to hear you're pregnant in this house, idiot.
It's living away one life. It's living as the day goes. Out of lifestyle, a playboy lifestyle. Yeah. He don't wanna do anything to help his son life. Here is a way.
Yes, please allow her. She has been sleeping since she gained consciousness. The man who brought her here left since afternoon and has not returned. Please, who are you to her? Her daughter-in-law. Oh, okay. You have to follow me to the doctor's office. He would like to have some word with you. Okay, that's fine.
Flash. He don't wanna do anything but to flash. It's in love with high life. It's so.
Wait. What are we doing here? Calm down and come with me. You are with me. How can you tell me to calm down when we are in this desert? Eh? How can you tell me to calm down? Look at... Just take a good look at where we are. Bring down your voice. This place is very dangerous. Please. This place is dangerous and you're telling me to calm down. But, Cheka, it seems you're not ready for this. Come with me. Come. I don't know what you are doing here. Come with me. Hey.
If you move, I shoot.
Juga, it's your girl Tracy.
What do you want?
Juga, I brought business for you.
What kind of business?
She will explain everything to you.
I think you should allow me to handle this situation by myself.
Cheka, trust me. I can't mislead you. Those guys are professionals. They are good. I don't do business with basket mouth guys. No. You would have messed things up if you had followed your plans. Thank God you listened to me.
Tracy, are you sure? Because me, I'm scared though. I heard that arrangement like this, when it goes wrong, it always backfires on the person that employed them. Because me, I don't want problem. Just allow me to do it my own way. I can handle this. I got it.
Entertain no fear, my dear friend. Look, by this time tomorrow, that idiot, that bitch will be out of your way and you'll have rest all to yourself. I am so happy for you already, my friend.
I can't wait for this whole thing to be done. I can't wait for that girl to go down. I can't wait for that cheap whore, that prostitute to just go down. I can't wait. I want that girl out of my way. Can you imagine a cheap whore coming from nowhere to take my man, my own rest? It's not possible. I can't wait for her to go down.
It will surely come to pass, and I will fix you after everything. Rest is mine and mine alone.
What does she think she is? Look, Tracy, you see Rest?
Yes.
Rest is my man. Of course. And nobody can take him away from me. Not even that stupid cheap whore. Not even her. I can't wait for her to go down. Rest is yours forever. I like your guts, girl. I like it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh my girl. Please, I'm not in the mood. I am so happy for you.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
Who was that? What's that?
My parents live in London with my siblings. I only came back here to pursue my master's degree because I didn't want to do it outside the country.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Which means you are a degree holder.
Of course, ma'am. I studied computer sciences. I'm sorry I came to your home the other day. It's just that your son persuaded me to come with him.
It's okay. You don't have to be sorry about that. See, Rex is my only son. As a matter of fact, he is my only child. I promised my late husband before his death that I will make Rex to be a better person and a great person in our society.
I know all about your son now. He's a nice person. I know he will turn a new leaf.
When will that be? Is it when I'm gone? See, the reason I want Rex to get married is because I believe it will make him a better person. It will make him change.
Of course, and your faith is not misplaced. It's still not late, ma'am. I believe someday your son will make you proud. Just relax yourself, okay? Try to get well.
Who is that? Who is there? Oh. Chica, I'm coming. Oh.
Susan! Susan! Hey! Susan!
It's a dangerous game. War with the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
Babe, what's up with you? You have been drinking for hours now. I hope you're alright.
You know what they say? No peace for the wicked. I cannot have peace of mind until my dream is achieved.
Well, I am glad to announce to you that that the job has been carried out. Are you serious? The bitch is dead. Oh my god!
Wait.
I am so happy for you.
Tracy, calm down. Calm down. Oh, okay. Did he show you the evidence? Like, did you send any evidence to you?
Evidence?
Yes.
We never discussed evidence. All I know is that the bitch is dead. I am so happy for you, girl.
I don't understand. How am I supposed to know that he did the job? I mean, how am I supposed to know that the girl in question is dead? I need to see evidence now. He needs to show me workings. I need to see.
Chika, stop making things difficult here. We only contracted them to kill. Showing evidence was never part of the deal at all. What are you saying?
Tracy, you will not understand.
What
if he shot the wrong person? What if it's not the girl? What if there was a mistake? Look, Tracy, if there's any mistake in this thing, I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you. I will not be happy with you.
Look, I know Duga very well. I know his capability. He has done this for me before and there was no mistake. It was a clean job. What are you saying? Just calm down, okay?
Really? Tracy, I no go forgive you. If this guy is the same now, another person, but I no go forgive you. I will not be happy with you. I need to see evidence. I need to know if it's this girl in particular we are talking about. I need to know.
You need to trust me. These people did a very good job. Believe me.
Tracy,
it was in the past.
Tracy, I go vex for you. If not be this girl there, bye. I go vex for you. Are you sure?
Why you go vex for me?
Because I never see evidence. I need to see the evidence now. Ha! What do you mean the job is done? I did not see anything. I don't like this kind of play.
Shade, please. Take your call. Pick your call. Why is she not taking her calls now? Hello? Why is she not taking her calls now? You need to know what is going on. Your roommate is dead. Hi. I didn't want to tell her about this last night.
come on back from
No be you that they make you come on back from me.
My friend, come on back.
I think what is that yellow papa?
Which kind of question be that? How you go dey ask me? What is she fine? How you want make I take answer you now? Go inside there, go ask madam now. Don't be asking me nonsense question.
If you dey talk to me, no say na me supposed to give respect for this. May I not just beat you?
I just come on here also. Come out here. How you go dey ask me that kind of question? Come on back from madam. I'm a boy.
Olodo. English, you know sabi speak. Come on back from madam. Come on, madam from back. I go back to my sleep. I dey compose one better music before they come wake me up. Oh, this my dream now. How I go take go back? Odeba. Escalaba. Me and Rema we go do remix.
Hello? Is anything the matter? What's wrong? What? How? Who are they? That's fine. I'll see to it. What's going on? Who would want to eliminate my roommate? I need to find out what's happening.
I saw the way she rushed out from the house to answer that call. And I decided to follow her because I don't trust this girl. And I heard her said her roommate was killed. Are you sure this girl is not a hookup babe? Hey. Why would she come back to this house again? Why?
It's a dangerous game.
Please, can you describe the person you shot?
Describe who? Hey, babe, I don't get that kind of time. I don't get that kind of time. The guy you gave me his address took me to the place and I did my job.
Well, you have to show the evidence of the work you did for me. You have to show evidence, show workings, Oga.
You be like say they crazy, you be like say they mad. X, tell her to give me my money. Give me my balance, or else you not go like what I go do. My balance! I'm not going to.
Duga, please calm down.
Hey, you don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Let her give me my balance and go and confirm the job I did for her.
And how am I supposed to do that? Yes, how am I supposed to do that when you did not show me the evidence of the job you did? Show me evidence.
Take 6! Hey!
No.
Hold it! Hey!
Please, don't do this.
I say you hold it.
Don't do this.
Give me my balance now or I will kill you and nobody will cough. My balance!
Please, Duga, calm down. Chika, just give him his balance. He said he has done it, and I believe him. Give it to him. I know him very well. He said he has done the job.
No! Give it to me. Hope this is complete.
Yes, it's
If
complete.
you mess up with me, I will find you down to that hole. Get out!
Let's go. This gun you're holding, you know. You never can walk in. It's okay, Duga.
Come over here.
Who could have sent those men to kill my roommate? Who?
Chantal, I'm suspecting those men killed the wrong person.
What do you mean?
Because they picked me up, used me to locate you. Is it not obvious that they are looking for you?
Wait, just take it back a notch. I still do not understand what you're talking about.
Chantal, listen to me. the person planning this whole thing knew about us. But he didn't know how to locate you. I probably don't have any problem with your roommate. You were the one on the blacklist and not Susan.
You're beginning to make some sense. Well, who could it be? Why would they want me dead?
That is a big question searching for answers. Chantal, you have to be very careful from now onwards. The person that sent those people didn't know they killed the wrong person. He or she believes that you are dead.
You're right. Very correct.
Do you have any problem with anyone?
No, at least no one I can think of.
It's a dangerous game.
What if my hunches are true? What if that brat is still healthy and alive? And evidence would have solved all these questions. But Tracy is not seeing it from my own point of view. I must find a way to get the truth.
The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect.
Wait, what's up with you? Why are you still like this? Huh?
Tracy, come on.
You are still troubling yourself over nothing. The job has been done and dusted. What is all this?
Tracy, you won't understand. All I need is evidence. I need evidence.
Fine. I promise you I will get evidence for you. I have confidence that Duga has accomplished the job you gave to him. We should be celebrating and not this. Baby girl, drink up. Drink up. Cheers. Take your drink.
I think I need this. I need something strong.
Drink, babe. Just relax yourself. Feel comfortable. I am with you.
You promise, right? You promise you get me an evidence. Right? Stop laughing.
I will get evidence for you.
Okay.
Just drink up.
I will. I need it.
Can I get more drinks for you?
I'm okay. Fine.
Drink, babe.
All I need is evidence. I'm drinking. I'm drinking.
Are you okay?
But yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Jesus.
What is wrong with you? What happened?
I don't know, please. I need water. Get me water, please.
Water?
Yes. My
Just calm
stomach,
down.
please. My stomach is hurting. Get me water.
Your stomach?
Yes. Please get me water, Tracy. Get me water. My stomach. Please, water.
Are you sure you really need water? Chika, are you sure you need this water?
Because this is the only water in the house. Even if I give it to you, it won't stop it. Are you okay?
Tracy, what did you add to my drink? Tracy, what did you add to my drink? Ah! Tracy, what did you add to my drink?
Good! Good! I added a little love potion that will soon turn to poison. You have dealt with Chantel girls already. It is my turn to deal with a betrayer like you. Yes, and take what belongs to me back, which is my rest. Of course. Yeah. Good. Nice one. Bitch! That's what you are. Bye, bitch! See you next word.
Please forget. If I don't record this thing now, I go just forget her. This inspiration will just come. Eh? I go do collabo, I be remix. Like this. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby, too fine. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby. Also warona Jesus. You go just talk like that. Uku sarambara na di mo bimo. Jesus oje na mo. They go call my name. Larry Gaga. Don't be Larry Gaga. They will come call Mr. Odega. Hey! See music. See music. See music. He can't be now why they record my song, why they concentrate on my future. Who be that?
I will just enter studio. I enter studio now, I will come there, come they knock, they stop me.
Why they give me leave? Hey. Hello?
Don't you know me? I am here to see Res.
And then wait till I won't use your face do.
Oh, my friend, I know what you want. I have something for you today. Don't worry. Yeah. You like it? Okay, take this one. I forgot to buy bread.
You bought biscuits? I love biscuits. I love biscuits.
I still have more for you.
Are you serious?
Of course.
So if you are coming out now, you give me another one.
Don't worry yourself.
See, in fact, this house, you follow us get them. You follow us get them. Be coming every day, morning, afternoon, night.
It's okay, dear.
You are highly loved.
Thank you.
Highly welcome.
With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
This is a sign that I'm composing better music, good music. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby, to my Azowarona Jesus. Cricketer wanta the mo, baby. Oje na mo. Hey, this music better.
I'll believe you, ma'am. If you need anything, call me at any time. I'm available.
My dear, don't you think it will be risking your life going to your place now? Those people might be hanging around looking for you. I urge you to stay with us for a while. Just consider here as your house, your second home, okay?
Hello. Mommy, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon. Who are you? My name is Tracy. Actually, I came to see Res.
Young lady, are you not one of those girls I chased out of my home some time ago?
No, Mommy. This is my first time coming here. Honestly. Look at me very well.
What's up, baby?
Oh, baby. I have missed you so much.
Mom, look at you. Mom, this is my sugar anyways.
Young girl, You think you can deceive me with your useless and stupid lies? Will you get out of my house before I change it for you? Get out!
Mommy, what have I done to you?
Now you're being aggressive. You are educated. Act like one. She's my girl. Cutty demands you should respect me up. Come on. Let's go upstairs. It's fine.
Not really. You are not going anywhere. I said, get out of my house now! My son has nothing to do with useless, senseless, hopeless, worthless, and shameless girl like you.
Mom,
Get
let
out!
me decide. I know what I want in life. I love useless people. I love shameless people. In fact, hopeless people are the best. Let me decide. You're embarrassing me. Please. You're educated. Act like one. Let's go upstairs.
You're not going anywhere. Get out of my house now! Chantel!
Yes, ma'am.
Bring me a broom. Let me sweep her out of my house.
Incoming.
Stupid and worthless girl.
Mom, this is my father's house. You're embarrassing me. This is my sugar.
Rex, I'm not. I don't like what you are doing.
Go away, lady.
Out!
Sugar! Sugar! This 30 minutes begging now. Just give me a job. What?
Look at this. You really have got indeed.
Hey, life's sweet too. I swear. Hey, today na better day. So if she come at 9, she will come give me another 2,000. I go just come out 1,000, go play bets. Sure odd. 1,000 to win 100,000. Once I win 100,000, I come out 75,000 for my studio. Go release 10 album. Straight up. Why, I've been waiting. I see all this one. Maybe you just complete and make I join us together.
Waiting for what? Get out of my sight. Idiots.
You just called me your friend. Hey. I know say people they get mood swing normally. But this one be like juju swing. How they go just cut this ticket like this? I'm on a witches and wizard. Thank God say you know say make I bring this one. Because they say a bird at hand is better than the one in the pocket. Eh? Thank God say you know say make I bring this one. Hey! I just manage that. I just come out more money for my studio. Man, listen to me.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
That woman thinks she can humiliate someone the way she likes just because of her son. But wait, oh. Did she just call that girl Chantel? That should be the same girl Duga was supposed to kill. Who did he kill then? Chika was right after all. My goodness. Duga must have killed the wrong person. Fuck. What am I going to do now? My word.
With a touch of betrayal.
Duga.
She wanted to leave. I was the one that asked her to stay back. My son, don't you think you should settle down with her? She is a nice girl. She is not after money like the other girls.
Mom, I have said this countless times. I am not ready for marriage. Simple.
Can you just listen to yourself? How old are you today? Do you think you are getting younger? Besides, you are my only child. I need grandchildren. Marry her and give me grandchildren.
Alright, Mom, I've heard you. I will think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Just tell me you get married to her and their marriage arrangement will start immediately.
Mom, now this is my problem with you. I said let me think about it. Allow me. This is marriage we're talking about here. Now listen, I know you're desperate to see your grandchildren, but I rather marry late than make a mistake in marriage. So, ata. Okay?
Son, just know that whatever I am doing, whatever I am saying, is for your own good. It's for your betterment. Pico.
Mom, in as much as you're desperate to see your grandchildren, I understand. But at the same time, I know you won't be happy if I make a mistake in marriage. So let's not rush into it.
It's okay. I'll give you time to think about it.
More like it.
As I am talking to you right now, she's in that house. I saw her with my 2 eyes.
I don't know what you are talking about. Duga doesn't make mistake. I did exactly what you girls asked me to do. The guy took me to the house and I shot her dead.
You must have killed the wrong person then.
It is not my fault. You did not show me picture.
As for her picture, I will get it as soon as possible.
Duga doesn't make mistakes. Get her picture and consider her dead. But you know what it's going to cost you.
Don't worry about the money. I will do whatever it takes to take her out of my way.
You sent for me, Ma.
Yes, my daughter. I want to have a word with you.
Okay.
Please, I don't want you to be offended by what I'm about to say.
That's okay.
You've been staying with us for some time now, and I've come to realize that you're a good girl. You'll make a very good wife for my son. Please, I want you to marry my son.
Wow. Wow. Well, I didn't see this coming. I never expected this. I am not worthy to be your son's wife.
And who said you're not worthy to be my son's wife? You're more than worthy. You're 100% worthy to be my son's wife. I overheard you the other time when you were telling Mila that you'll help her turn a new leaf. I want to give you that opportunity now. Please, be my son's wife.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Because who am I to be your son's wife?
Get up. Do not say any other thing. Give me a hug.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
It's me, it's me, it's me. It's me, it's me.
Who be that? Now them are I don't see them with it.
My friend.
I know be your friend, I beg. What's happened?
Please. I am sorry for the other time. You know, when I entered inside, something happened. Never mind. I am here to make it up to you. I came with something. I want you to use it to buy something for yourself.
With bread and biscuit.
I came with 5,000 naira. Take it.
Oh God. Odeba. See, forget say I dey answer Odeba, a native name from my village. I be Christian. I sabi my Bible well. Now the same money, now this guy small chicken money, now they take say Jesus. Now you won't take bribe me again. It no go happen.
Look, I know you are still angry with me, but don't worry. I am not giving you this money for you to allow me in. But I want you to do something for me. I'm going to give you 30,000 naira. I will still give you more money. I want to give you 30,000 naira now. Look, after the deal, I am going to give you more money. You are my friend now. I'm going to give you enough money. This is just the beginning.
Wait, 30,000 naira for just the beginning.
Yeah.
You go still give me money for the middle.
Trust me.
Then the end, uncle. You still give me money.
You are going to get enough money.
The thing be say, like I told you before, I be Christian. I don't know, say everything when they write for Bible, it dey happen for real life. Oh. Finally, Judas Iscariot has succumbed.
Look, I want you to take a picture of the lady inside. Then send it to me on WhatsApp. Even madam. She knows about it.
Odegba. Madam has asked her to stop coming here. What are you doing out here with her?
Exactly. You know, I warned you. You know, I told you. I was when I heard the knock, I said, make I come out. I know who they stop for this neighborhood. If you see how she was knocking, thank God say you are here. We go make you join force with me. May we push and come out. Eh?
And that money?
The money? na my pocket money. Sorry, na my salary. Na my salary.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? Just go inside. Go in and lock the gate.
Okay. I should lock you outside.
I said go in and lock the gate.
Oh, correct, ma.
I'm not a fool. I know you offered him that money, but I won't ask you why. You have been warned to stay away from this family. Abide by the rules.
And who are you to remind me all of that? The madam? How no?
I'm Chantal, Rex's fiancée.
So what do you think she was there for?
I can't quite place my hands on it. But I know for sure she was up to something mischievous.
Then I suggest you inform Rex's mother before she does something very bad.
No. I won't inform her. At least we'll have to wait until I find out the reason for her visit.
Now listen to me, Chantal. You have to be very careful. I don't know this girl in person, but she might be more dangerous than you think.
You have nothing to worry about. Rex will tell me everything I need to know about her. Everything.
You're very right. But you still have to be very careful.
On a lighter note, Guess what? The mother is trying to convince the son about our wedding. And our plans are working out fast, so cheers.
Whoa! I'm so happy. But my problem is Rex. My problem is Rex.
What about Rex?
He's very stubborn.
You have nothing to worry about, like I said. Come on, trust me. I know his weak points.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's my baby. Let's cheers, baby.
Of course.
How this girl go just come one spoil show for me? You know go dey possible. Eh? You don't mean anything. Say I carry picture give her, you don't mean anything. After all, our president picture, he full everywhere. Our governor them picture, he full everywhere. All those people where they sing, all those musicians, all those people where they even politicians. No be human being they be. The most important thing na the money. If you like, may use the picture do anything.
Which money?
Madam, na lotto money. Na lotto money. Why you dey chook your ear for everything wey no concern you? You won't put mouth for everything wey no concern you. I'm a boy.
And whose picture were you talking about?
Oh, the picture. You even heard about the picture? Oh, Mrs. Fatima. The picture I'm talking about is my grandmother's picture. My grandmother want to start doing a runaway model. Those people where they do model with Nicki Minaj them. Eh? Want to know everything.
Ah, don't you insult me.
And if I insult you, what you go do? You're talking to a potential rich man. If I insult you, what will you do?
Look at you. Eh? Ordinary gate man, raising voice. See, if you talk again, I'll carry this food, go back, and you go hungry today.
What is this food? See, I can even give you money for lunch. I can even give you 50,000, sorry, 10,000. 10,000. No. You know me? Eh? This thing, look at what you are calling food. Look at this nonsense you are calling food. Is it because I'm eating it? This poison you are cooking.
Eh, I don't blame you.
Eh?
Now my food they call poison. If I say you dey crazy so.
Because I dey chop am.
Eh? Okay, I dey cook nonsense, I dey cook poison. But when I give you, you go eat and lick plate.
You don't know why I dey eat am. Now because I dey help you.
Me?
I dey tell you. You know how many antibiotics where I dey eat point? I dey take point inside this my house. Anytime I eat your food, my belly go dey fight Iraq and Iran war. If I open mouth tell madam say you dey cook semi poison for this house, they go sack you. No.
You are a foolish.
You don't even ask yourself. You don't even ask yourself why our dog no dey eat your food. You won't kill her.
Very, very stupid. Take your food. See your food here.
Hey!
Make sure you return my plate when you are done eating. It's yours. Foolish man. And my food, they call poison. I don't blame you. You will go hungry for this time.
Fatima, na GM oh. Na potential upcoming GM. Now when you carry him food, keep for ground. You think say na get man I mean? General manager. By the time I start making this money, my level will change. And I will deal with you. Nonsense. I'm thinking about my future. Money is involved. I see the nonsense where she cook today. Huh? I see the nonsense food where she just. Hey, even damn. If not one thing, I could just say you sabi my mumu bottle. Now when my mood dey like this, you put an egg. But sometimes I dey wonder why Oga just go come employ vibrant young boy for gate. Come use old mama, put for house. Na shrine you go dey cook food. Na sacrifice food you go dey cook. But today own will be different because of this egg. I like the white part, those parts where they call yolk. My Easter, it go help me. They think about my life. The reason I go make this money, 30,000 in the morning, 30,000 in the evening, because the evening go use pay me. 30,000 in the evening, 60,000 every day. Rich man.
With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal.
Hey,
What's up?
I got this for you.
What's this?
Open it and check for yourself.
Come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue.
My mom will definitely throw you out of this house when she finds out what you're giving to her son.
Swear you let her throw me out.
Thanks anyways.
I'll be in.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous
someone that gives me white. Are you sure we can raise a family together? I doubt. I doubt.
What are you doing?
Fatima, you know they see all these cobwebs wey full everywhere. What do they do for this house?
Cobwebs.
It isn't only to the cook they do for this house. You could help the tidy the environment now. See as everywhere dirty.
Who are you recording? You are recording somebody and you are telling me cobwebs.
Fatima.
What do you mean I should bring my voice?
I know they record anything.
Why are you recording her?
Who? How?
You are asking me who, how? Okay, you think you can deceive me? You think you can deceive me? You are recording her. No problem. You will explain to her why you are recording her.
Fatima, see, Fatima.
I will start talking. Tell me the truth now. I will tell her.
You know say, I know they record anything to start with. I know say I get talent to be sing. If I want to record something, now recording studio I go. But you see this girl with the inside, she fine. She fine. I know say you no go know say she fine because you know fine.
Don't stop that nonsense.
It's say I know confirm say na woman being e be. I go talk say she fine. Say as God just greet her, she fine. She fine. I just dey pray say if Oga just go marry am. If Oga marry am, I go come marry his sister. We go come be in-law.
Look at you. See rubbish you are vomiting from your mouth. She's still beautiful. That girl is too fine. And they pray make Oga. See, my eyes are on you. Because I know I will catch you again. And if I catch you again, I will tell her. Don't worry, I will catch you. Shebi, you are not recording her. No problem. If I catch you again, you will see Shege for this house. Nonsense.
If I catch you again, you will see Shege. Huh? I know they say witches and wizards they operate for daylight too. I don't know. No wonder why your uniform are black and white. You can't be like all those witches and wizards from Benin them side where they go just hold something like this. Pew! They go just walk out. They do people witches and wizards. Now wow. Fatima, you too do. Thank God I don't get what I want. This one good serve. But if I just give madam this one now, you go like her. Hello? Na me they talk, na me, na Odegba, Rex Gate man.
Odegba?
Yes. See, madam, I have the pictures. All the pictures, I have all the pictures. Different styles. I even do small jara for you, sef. Yes, everything is ready. Make her send them. Madam, no be so they do now. What about my money? You go send them. See, madam, see, I no get problem. Oh. But if you go first send me the money, I go see the money before I go come send you the picture. That's so they do am. You know say na this thing you know say this thing na deal we dey do. Na so they do am. If I give you the picture, if you give me the money, I give you the picture. I no get time for long talk. Oh. I go delete am. I go just my phone they even get problem. They delete by itself. Oh. I go just delete. It go delete na. Make I come where?
I will test you where you will come and meet me shortly. Okay?
No problem. Tell me where I go come. I go come. I ready for the business. No problem.
And don't forget, this is our little secret. Yeah. You know me, I don't do business with basket mouth people. Of course. All right.
Thank you too.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
I go be better businessman. Oh. See as I just do business call. Send me the parcel, I send you the money. Yes, ma. Yes, sir. Hey, this man, she won't run me street. Oh. She don't know, see, they know they run me street anyhow. She won't make I send the picture, give her. Then she go come do, I no go come get the money. No. A pure business within now. I just go back to
Never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. Yeah, with no apology.
Odegba! Odegba! Odegba!
It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one.
Why are you the one opening the gate? Where is that useless girl?
He's not in there.
Meaning?
Welcome, sir.
Where is that idiot?
I don't know, sir.
Are you sure you don't know where he went to?
No, I don't know.
Let me know when he comes back. I will skin him alive.
It's a dangerous game.
Odega is not in this compound.
With a touch of betrayal.
And you did not tell anybody.
It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. Yeah, with no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal.
His number is off now.
Fatima,
Yes.
did he not tell you where he was going to?
I did not see him when he was leaving. Please forgive me for saying this late. There is something I observed about Odegba recently. I think he's having conversation with someone outside. I met him this afternoon recording Chantel through the window.
And you didn't even care to tell me? Oh my God. Why was he recording me?
He said you are too beautiful and nice, that he admires you.
Odeba said that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I know the reason why that lady was here.
Then send it to me on WhatsApp. Even, even madam. she knows about it.
Odegba. Madam has asked her to stop coming here. What are you doing out here with her?
Exactly. You know, I warned you. You know, I told you. I was when I heard the knock, I said make I come out. I know who they disturb for this neighborhood. If you see how she was knocking, thank God say you are here. We go make you join force with me. May we push and come out. Eh?
And that money?
The money? na my pocket money. Sorry, na my salary. Na my salary.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know what? Just go inside. Go in and lock the gate.
Okay. I should lock you outside.
I said go in and lock the gate.
Oh, correct, ma.
I'm not a fool. I know you offered him that money, but I won't ask you why. You have been warned to stay away from this family. Abide by the rules.
And who are you to remind me all of that? The madam? How no?
I'm Chantel. Wow. I knew she was up to something. That means she paid Odegba for some information. Yes. And I'm very sure Odegba sneaked out to go see her. Maybe with the recording of me.
I can't believe this is happening in my house.
Ma, please, you need to call Rex immediately. Alert him on the new development. He might just be walking into a trap.
She's right. Please call him.
That stupid and useless Odeba. He is leaving this house anytime he comes back. I'll put a call across to my son.
8:30 p.m. What is keeping him? He's wasting so much time. Hello? Who is this? Ah, it's a wrong number. I said it's a wrong number! What is this? Hey.
Don't move! Surrender yourself! I said surrender yourself! Drop it!
Drop it down! Answer! Answer!
Faster than your shadow. As you dey go prison like this, I go still poison you for that prison. Meanwhile, where my gate man? Officer.
Sir.
Move.
Move!
Move!
Oh my God, Duga. Hello? Duga, what happened? You didn't call me like we planned. I'm talking about last night.
Something came up and I didn't go again last night.
What happened? Tell me, what went wrong?
Come to my usual hideout in the next 10 minutes or we forget about the deal.
I should come? Hello? Hello, Duga? Oh gosh. So that idiot is still alive. That bitch. I will rather strategize than to leave that idiot.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa,
Duga.
With the touch of betrayal.
Duga.
It's a dangerous game.
Duga.
With the touch of betrayal.
Duga. Duga.
The worst kind of backstabbing will come from someone you
Duga.
least expect.
Duga.
Never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you.
Duga. Duga. I have been looking for you. Duga, I have been looking for you everywhere. Jesus! What are you up to? What are you? Hey.
You are under arrest for the offense of attempted murder on Miss Shante. Not only that, the murder of Mr. Odegba and Mrs. Chika. For your own good, I would advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Officer,
Hey!
your eyes on us.
Duga, you betrayed me! You betrayed me! Officer! Duga! Duga, you betrayed me!
Move! I said move! Move!
Duga, you betrayed me!
I said move!
Move!
These girls can be evil and wicked. I was at the police station when they brought her in. Yes. She planned with Chika, her friend, to kill Chantel.
Really? Wow.
But they mistakenly killed her roommate. Do girls kill? What's wrong with our generation?
Girls are terrible, you know. Terrible times, hard times. Women.
This is serious. So these girls are bad and evil?
That's what they didn't do. Listen, Rex. You really need to be careful with these girls. Yeah, I mean it. You see, these girls, they don't love you. All they want is your money. That's all they're interested in.
The same Tracy later poisoned Chika, thinking that Chantel is out of the way. I saw the look on her face the day she came to my house and saw Chantel. That was the same day she bribed my gate man to get her picture.
Girls are funny. Rex, what makes her think that you are going to marry after your discovery? After knowing she eliminated those people?
Have you forgotten how some women think? Maybe she thought Juju will work on me or something.
Juju. She must be a joke of the century, bro.
Rex, this is not a laughing matter. No, it's not a laughing matter. Let's be serious here now. Yes. Rex, I think you have to marry. You have to settle down. You see all these street girls out there? Rex, they might put you in trouble. I know what I'm saying. You're no more a child.
Rex, you see, I think I'm in line with what Chico just said. Remember that chica, what's her name? Chantel, yeah, the Chantel girl.
Yes.
No, she has been with you. She's just like your handbag. And from discovery, you made us to believe your mother approves of her.
Yeah.
So why don't you...
Support.
Exactly.
And girl, she's beautiful.
Extremely beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
The waist is there. Everything. I sort of make my fan calls.
Yeah, you're right, bro. See, why don't you go ahead and marry her? Marry this girl.
Now you all are sounding like my father. You need to tell me how much my mom paid you guys to be saying it.
She didn't pay us a dime. She didn't pay us a dime.
Listen, your mom did not pay us a dime. We're just telling you, advising you as friends. We want the best for you.
Yeah, we do. Just imagine. Rex wed Chantel.
And I might be the best man.
No, I should be the best man.
Come on, sit down there.
Are you okay?
Will you marry me?
What?
You heard me loud and clear. I want to make you my wife.
Wait. Are you saying this because your mother wants you to?
No. From the first time I met you, I fell for you. Just that you never gave me a chance to express how I feel.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Listen, you are my kind of woman. You're smart, you're intelligent, you're beautiful. So please.
I'll do that on one condition.
Which is?
I want you to take responsibility in your father's company. Your mother has been having sleepless nights because of it. And I will not marry a man who is irresponsible.
Anything for you, my darling. I will.
Then I'll marry you.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's it, my sister. You have to thank God for me. It is His doing. Yes, yes. See, as I'm talking to you now, she is in police custody. She was apprehended by the police. Yes. All I pray now is for my son to get married so that his eyes will be off the streets. Yes. Yeah. I'll get back to you.
Mom, guess what?
What is it?
He proposed.
He has?
Yes!
Oh my God! I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
God, I thank you.
Mom, guess what? He's going with you to the office tomorrow.
Is that what he said?
Mom, I gave him a condition before I accepted his proposal. I told him he has to accept to take his place in his father's company.
Oh, you are the best. You know what? Your wedding arrangements starts immediately. No. Let me call a friend of mine.
Okay.
Cake and cake vendor.
Okay.
The wedding gown.
Wedding planner in general.
Yes, the event planner, right?
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
Agada! Agada! Come! Please see who's at the gate.
Okay.
With a touch of betrayal.
Who be that? Who be that?
Now who you dey look for?
I came to see mommy.
Came to see mommy?
Yes.
Big madam?
Yes, Rex's mother.
Who do we have here?
Madam, she said she dey find big madam. Oh.
What do you want?
You heard him. I came to see mommy. So please, excuse me.
I'm in charge now. You can't just waltz in here, deliver your message and leave.
Madam, please. I am not here to see you. And I don't have time for this nonsense, so get out of my way.
Agreed. But deliver your message and go. You can't come in.
Please, excuse me.
I said you can't come in.
Mommy!
Agada.
Yes, madam.
Throw her out of this place and lock the gate. She thinks I'm joking with her.
Mommy!
Come on now!
Agada, I gave you a direct instruction. I said throw her out.
Please don't touch me.
Agada.
I will unleash my anger on you.
Agada!
Leave. Obey the last order. Your time don't expire.
Agada, I said throw her out.
Oh yeah, they go.
Throw her out
Bring
and
your
lock the
purse
gate.
first. They go. Be fast now. Go.
Give me my bag.
Take your bag. Go.
Lock the gate.
Bag going one night and no you can't see madam. You see, madam now your age mate. You don't know where madam then they stay. No come you again, no. Man, no unleash my anger on you.
It's a danger. dangerous game. War with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
I thought she was gone for good. What was she doing here? I will not allow her destroy everything I've worked so hard to build. Not now that everything is set for my wedding. Hello? Not now. Later in the day. I'm going with them to the company. I'll call you when I'm back, okay? Fine.
Shanta, you're here.
Yes, Mommy.
Where is Rex?
Oh, he's in his room. Let me just inform him that you're set to leave.
Behest about it.
Excuse me.
Touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone.
Everything is set now. Date for our wedding has been fixed.
Fantastic. He called me. He said I'm going to be his best man.
I know. I was there when he called.
Oh.
In fact, we're going shopping this weekend. His mother wants everything to be done fast.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Is it not better so that everything can happen very fast?
True. But guess what? That girl showed up at the house this morning.
What's that?
Mira. The same girl his mother wanted him to marry.
And what does she want?
Well, she said she was there to see Rex's mother. But trust me, I asked the new gate man to throw her out.
No. You should have waited to know why she was there now.
I did. Trust me, I did. She refused to say anything. And I didn't want to take any chances.
I believe you.
I
believe you. I believe you. That's what's up. That's the spirit.
What is this thing doing here?
Rex, have a seat.
I can't. What is she doing here now?
I'm pregnant for you.
Very stupid. Are you mad? You are pregnant for who?
I got pregnant after you raped me.
It's like you heard about my marriage and came to scatter everything. It will not work. Mom, let's start by asking her, where has she been all this while? After prostituting from town to town, you think you can come back here to say nonsense?
Baby, is it true?
No, it's not true.
Rex, that was the reason I said you should have a seat. Mira, repeat what you told me.
It happened that day you pushed mommy down.
Hey! Hey, who go here? Madam! Hey, madam, I beg you now. Hey!
What happened?
Mira.
What happened?
Now, go!
Mommy!
I survived my own.
What happened?
Now, by God's grace, I survived my own. Now, my mama prayer for village, now save me. Hey! Okay. Hey! My mama prayer for village, now help me survive my own. Hey! Madam, I beg. Madam, if na prank, I beg. I beg, we don't stop. If na prank, I beg, stop. Oh.
Your mom is lying on the ground. Your mother is lying on the ground, lifeless. Please, we need to go.
Are you serious? Is that why you barged into my room without knocking?
I don't know how to drive. Odegba doesn't know how to.
You see that thing you've been looking for? I will give it to you today.
Please, Jesus Christ. Leave me alone, leave me alone.
If I hear him,
please, I'm
if
sorry.
I hear him,
I'm sorry.
eh,
I'm sorry.
listen,
I'm sorry. I'm
if
sorry.
I
I'm
hear
sorry.
him, I will
I'm sorry.
strangle you to death.
Please,
If I hear him, I will
I beg
strangle
you.
you to
I
death.
beg you. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, your mom is outside on the ground.
No.
Please, I beg you. I left out of anger. I felt very humiliated. That's why I left.
Baby, with everything she has said, is she telling the truth? I'm asking you one more time. Is what she's saying right now true?
Yes. But she caused it. She walked into my room unannounced. Or my roommate.
But Rex, that's not fair at all. It's inhuman. Okay, look at it now. As a result, she is pregnant for you.
Virgin Mary.
Mommy, my people said that he must marry me.
Thunder will fire you and that your people. Pregnancy is not a license to marriage. Are you getting me? I will change you people's tradition. You are very...
No, this is not going to work. I can see that she wants to stand as a stumbling block to my upcoming wedding, and it will not work. I will not allow it.
Your people are not in the position to say what will happen because you are pregnant. Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry. I'm off here. Could you tell me that you're looking for who will marry you now? In
Mommy,
fact,
she should be
flush it.
compensated. This will not work.
No,
I will
no,
not allow anyone do this to me.
Flush it. You're very stupid. You should be thanking God that I haven't accepted it. I was trying to say, mommy, manage it once she puts to bed. Bring it out. I will accept the baby. You are bringing your people's head that way. Your people are mad. I will not marry your shadow. Talk more of marrying you, idiot. Mom, we will be sending her home.
Sorry, this is not fair. It's not fair. It's not my fault. I cannot have this baby out of wedlock. It's not fair at all. It's not fair.
Can you hear me? The girl is here again. She says she's pregnant for Rex. As I speak with you, she's still inside. Of course, Rex is home. This girl wants to spoil everything. But he told her that she can't stop our wedding. Listen, I need to see you. We need to talk. It's quite important. Okay, that's fine.
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal.
There's something about this girl that I do not understand. Why does she hide to Asako? And she said she needs to see the person. That she doesn't take any chances. What exactly is she talking about?
Come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really
Rex, you should at least be remorseful. Rape is a punishable offense in our society.
Mom, you like repeating yourself. This is not the time to apportion blames. She's pregnant, fine and good. I already have one. Take care of her and let her put to bed. She like I marry her or carry her on my neck because she's pregnant.
But you heard what she said. What if her parents insist that you must marry her?
Mom, it is not done anywhere. It's illegal. You don't force people to get married to you because they got you pregnant. No. That's what we call co-parenting. Take care of her. Settle her. Let her put... Okay, where is she? Is she under the sun? Is she not eating? After 9 months now, she will put to bed. So why the drama? Her parents are not in a position to tell me what to do because I got their daughter pregnant. So please, settle her, let her go. That's my stand on this.
Mom, like you rightly said, compensate her. Because I don't want anyone standing as a block to my upcoming wedding. Please.
Compensate her for what? I think she's even taking advantage of me. I sent her, Papa.
That girl is carrying my grandchild. That is my main concern. I cannot just push her away like that.
Nobody's pushing her away. Your grandchild that she's carrying is not running away. Mom, you love drama.
Mom.
Should I tie her on my neck because she's carrying your grandchild? Give it 9 months now.
Is that what you're saying? Are you saying your son should marry her?
Shanta.
Mom, no, I'm only asking a question. I need you to make me understand.
My grandchild is important to me. My grandchild is important
She's
to
carrying
me.
Jesus.
He's important to me. My grandchild is important.
I'm talking about grandchild.
Baby.
Yeah.
Are you going to watch your mother bring that girl into this house?
She wouldn't dare.
But you just heard her.
I said she wouldn't dare. If I set my eyes on that girl around here, I will pour acid on her. Huh?
I know I'm saying this because I will not take any nonsense from anyone.
It won't happen. Getting someone pregnant does not mean you must marry the person.
Fine.
Take me to follow that taxi. Please be fast. I don't want to lose it. Please. Don't worry, be going. I will pay you. Money is not a problem. Fast, I beg, fast. Yes, that taxi.
Mom, I won't marry that girl. I've seen whom I want to marry, and I'm not ready to marry 2 wives. Please.
What about my grandchild? What happens to it?
What grandchild are you talking about? Who even told you she's carrying your grandchild?
But you're the one that got her pregnant.
And so? So I should marry her because I got her pregnant. Mom, settle that girl. Let her live with her wahala. It's as simple as that. I don't know what you're trying to do.
Rex, I am a mother. And I will not support such injustice to another woman's child.
Mom, it's not injustice. I got her pregnant by mistake. That doesn't mean I should marry her. You marry people you love, not people you impregnate by mistake. Do you want me to marry her and kill her tomorrow? Why are you forcing someone on me?
So you know you will not marry her. Why did you, as in, put her in a family way? Why did you sleep with her?
I won't have fun again. I must marry her. Don't get me angry.
Rex, you dare not try such nonsense, though. You dare not try it. Come back here, Rex.
What are you doing here, Fatima?
You
suddenly turned into a stutterer. Why are you following me?
I am not following you.
Face me. You think you're smart, right? Listen, let me warn you. The next time you do this, you will regret it. Do you understand me? Get off my way, you fool.
I talk and say this girl a witch. Eh? I talk am. She take no say I dey follow her. There is something about this girl, and I go catch you. My eyes will always be on you. Don't worry. Hey!
Whoa, it's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing may come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
I'm coming to the house already. I'm on my way.
With the touch of betrayal.
Switched off. And she's not yet here. It's more than 4 hours she told me that she's coming. And now her phone is switched off. How do I know that all is well with her?
Mom, is everything all right?
My dear, everything is not all right. I'm expecting the mother of my grandchild. For more than 4 hours, she called me that she's on her way to this place. Up till now, I have not heard from her, and her phone is switched off.
Well, maybe she changed her mind. She doesn't want to come anymore.
Changed her mind? No. There is no way she will change her mind. I have a feeling that all is not well with her.
You will never set your eyes on her again. You think I'll let her ruin my effort? Think twice.
I don't just know.
So sad.
Ay, 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 whoa. It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal.
Now the coast is clear for me to sail. No grandchild, no mirror can stand on my way to the altar. But before that, there is still one more thing that needs to be taken care of. And that will be taken care of.
We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you it's a
Fatima left this house since afternoon to the market. Up till now, she's not yet back and her phone is off.
Is this why you called me?
Is it not enough reason to call you?
It's not enough reason to call me. Don't you know how cooks behave? They don't have time, so each time they go to the market, they sneak into their boyfriend's place and collect one. They might be making love as we speak.
Yeah. Is that what you think?
That's what I know. Over a cook, they don't have time. When they sneak out to buy something like this, they enter their boyfriend's house, collect one. You don't know this place.
Rex.
Steph.
Mom, what's the matter?
Fatima left this house since afternoon to the market. And up till now, she's not back. And my son is not even bothered about it.
Well, have you called on phone?
Her phone is switched off.
Oh. You don't have to worry yourself. Perhaps she's been held back by traffic. I'm sure she's fine. Besides, I just finished cooking. Would you like me to serve your food now?
I don't have appetite.
Alright, just inform me when you're ready to eat something. Okay?
That's okay. What kind of traffic would be holding her since afternoon till now? Are you sure she is okay? Oh, God. What is holding Rex? Eh? What is holding him? This is an important information. Rex needs to be here before things get out of hand.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game.
Dear Lord, I am happy. In the next 2 hours, everything will be over. This night is going to be a special night in my life. I can't wait for this to be over.
Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. Yeah, with no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa. With the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal. come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming, cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you, with no apology, because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with the touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with the touch of betrayal.
What a beautiful day. Who told you to close that door?
I'm
sorry. That shit.
I'm sorry.
Is your wife?
I'm sorry.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
comes the bride.
I wish I had flowers. Okay. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. You're welcome. Really. Aww.
I will love her. Mommy, you love her. I will love her.
Nice one.
Mommy, you're here. I was knocking at your door.
Oh, I came out to watch this program on the TV. I don't like missing it out.
Mommy, you've been stressed enough today and you should rest. It's been a hectic day. You know what? Here's your drink. Yes, take it. It will help you relax.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You are the best mother-in-law in the whole world.
Oh, and you are the best daughter-in-law in the world.
I know. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Well, I'll be up with my husband. If you need anything, just let me know.
It's okay. Enjoy. She said it will help me to relax. I'll take it later.
What is going on? What is the delay for? This is almost 9 p.m. She ought to have called by now. Let her not mess up on this plan, I beg. I hate waiting endlessly.
Mommy! Oh my God, Mommy. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Mommy! Oh no! Mommy! Mommy! Mommy?
Oh, God. Finally. Mission accomplished. Yes. Hey, baby. These two are done. You coming? Please be fast. Of course. Oh, it's time to celebrate. After all, it's my wedding night. Ah. Victory, victory, victory. The sweet smelling savour of victory. Okay.
With a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. With a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology. Because they don't care for you.
Baby, mission accomplished. Yes.
Wow, I love you.
I love you more, baby. Guess what? His mother is lying there in the sitting room dead, while my so-called husband is upstairs in our bedroom dead. Baby, so what do we do now?
I will rush them to the hospital for confirmation. If the doctor confirms them dead, then we'll now abandon them in the mortuary. Is that okay?
So, do we go with his car?
Oh, yes. We have to go.
No, hold on. You know what? I need you to call Steve.
For what?
Come on, call Steve. Just tell him I called you, I asked you to rush down, and I don't know what's wrong with Rex and his mother.
Babe, we can do that in the hospital. Let's go going.
Okay, that's perfect. Go.
With no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game.
Yeah. Which kind thing they happen for this compound? All of a sudden, Madam and Oga just disappear. Now, Madam don't carry another man enter house. Which kind stupid idiot life will they even live for this compound self?
Oh, baby. Look at you. Oh, man. Hey, come here.
Are you deaf? He said you should come here.
Madam, because of you, I come.
Neil, why were you reluctant to answer him?
He first he look familiar now, but I don't know him.
Neil there. This is my husband. And this compound belongs to the both of us. Do you understand me? Henceforth, do not ever open that gate to anyone except I instruct you to. Do you understand me?
Okay, ma. Madam, you don't maltreat me. Oh.
Baby, do you want to give him any more instructions?
Let him keep kneeling until I decide what to tell him.
You heard him. So stay there. Do not stand. Do you understand me? Hmm? Let's go inside. I have a surprise for you.
Are you serious?
Let's go.
Come.
If you get up, you're dead.
Come. My papa and I were one village in Dubai. Yo. You people should stop maltreating me. Oh. Huh.
Oh, baby.
Cheers, baby.
Of course, long life, baby.
Long life.
Ouch. babe. Take.
No, I'm good. Enjoy.
You don't need it?
It's for you, my darling.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Life is good, baby.
Indeed. Life is beautiful.
Oh yeah? My late friend thought he knew it all. Yeah. I didn't mean he helped me when I was asking him for help. Would you have been alive to enjoy all this?
Well, thank God he didn't help you. How else will I be enjoying everything I'm enjoying right here with you, my darling?
You're very correct, baby. Oh yeah, tomorrow we'll go to the company and introduce ourselves to the workers as the new CEO. Oh, baby.
You can say that again. They need to know that we are in charge of everything.
Of course, baby. What's that?
Don't be banging on the gate like that.
Who be that? Go madam for phone now. No get spiritual power to open this door.
At least I told the man not to open the door, so.
Hey. Well done. Madam, well done.
Evildoers. You guys thought we are dead, right? You thought you've won. You've taken over everything. Things you did not labor for. Well, let me shock you more. I faked our marriage the moment I knew about your plan. I swear you will not only rot in jail, but you will die in jail.
Thank God for Fatima, who alerted us on your wedding day, telling us about your evil plans. So if not for that, we would have been dead by now, right? How could you, Chantel? How could you do a thing like this? You're so heartless. We connived with the doctor to confirm us dead, so that you go ahead and expose yourself. Here you are. Look at you.
Rex, please, I can explain, please.
I have one word for you. There is no shortcut to success. Why?
Oh, one devil's handwork, please.
Baby, please.
If I hear bay before the be again, if I hear bay before the be again, you wouldn't like what will happen here.
You will receive it hotter.
You kidnapped Fatima because you thought she knew about your evil plans. You hired a hit-and-run driver that jammed Mira. That incident made her lost her unborn child. Like I said, you will not only rot in jail, but I will make sure you die in jail. Officers, move these idiots.
We can sort this out now. Please.
Officers, move them.
Can we stop?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Mommy, please.
Shut up! If I hear that more,
Mommy,
you will see what will happen to you.
Mommy, please.
I trusted you. Mira, my baby. Oh, thank God you are alive.
Sir.
Officer, please take him out of here.
Officer,
move this idiot out of here.
You both are under arrest for conspiracy, attempted murder, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, I advise you remain silent and cooperate with us, for whatever you say now or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Rex, we can sort this out. Rex, please. Rex! Officer, please now. Move!
Please.
Move!
Please, please.
Move!
Mommy.
Move!
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 If I can't just go now, why is that? Hey! Move! If I collect this gun now, why is that? Move! 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 Why is that? Move! I said move!
Evil doers.
Move! Move!
Thank God.
Move!
I'm happy you survived it. I'm happy you are alive.
Well, I was rescued by the same person she contracted to kill me.
I know. Your mother told me everything. I'm happy you survived it. Remember what I told you? That you will not be disappointed. Rex.
I'm sorry for everything. I made a whole lot of mistakes. I wronged you in different ways. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm deeply sorry, okay?
It's okay. I have forgiven you. You know I love you so much. I forgive you.
Good to hear that. I'm so happy.
Come on there. Come on there.
This call for celebration.
It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous game. Ooh, with a touch of betrayal. The worst kind of backstabbing. We come from someone you least expect. You'll never see it coming. Cause you really have no clue. Someone you call a friend will be the one to backstab you. With no apology. Because they don't care for you. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, with a touch of betrayal. It's a dangerous